Welcome to Lion Paper's factory in Cambodia. This is an important part of our production network. From here, we support flexible production and reliable delivery for customers around the world. Our factory is located in Kompong Speu province, Cambodia. The location is convenient for transportation and daily factory operation. It also helps us connect production and shipment more smoothly. The factory in Cambodia helps us spread out our supply chain, lower risk, protect lead time, and improve cost efficiency. It also makes our global supply chain stronger, more flexible, and more stable. When you look at the factory from the outside, everything feels clean and well organized. Inside the factory, each area has its own place. Materials, production, checking, packing, and storage all move in a clear flow. This kind of layout helps the work move faster and more smoothly. Our first major production area is focused on notebook making. Here, paper moves step by step into finished products. You can see printed inner pages, covers, binding, and final books coming together in one smooth process. We make different notebook types here, including spiral notebooks, sewn notebooks, notepads, saddle-stitched notebooks, and calendars. As the work moves forward, the notebooks slowly take shape. Our second main production area is for gift packaging. On this line, flat materials slowly turn into gift bags and gift boxes. You can see printing, surface finishing, forming, and final assembly along the way. Step by step, simple materials become packaging products that are ready for display, gifting, and retail use. Our third main production area is for storage and soft bag products. Here, materials are turned into pencil cases, cosmetic bags, and toiletry bags. You can see stitching, zipper work, accessory assembly, and product checking in each step. Production is only one part of the job. Checking, packing, and shipment are also important. Quality checking starts before production, continues during production, and goes on after production is finished. Every checking step is recorded digitally. We also use AI tools to help spot possible quality risks early, and each order has its own checking list. For packing, different products use different carton designs, and clear front and side labels help make every shipment easy to identify and handle. Each pallet is prepared with a fumigation-free base, corner guards, stretch wrap, and moisture protection inside the container. We also support special shipping requirements for specific platforms and customers. Our Cambodia factory also has recognized certifications, including SMETA, GSV, FSC, and GSP. These show our focus on responsible operation, supply chain transparency, and long-term business support. Lion Paper's Cambodia factory is an important part of our global supply chain. With flexible production and steady support, we are ready to serve customers around the world.